What's up everybody, Jeremy from OUTPOST VANS here. We're gonna do a tour today of our latest custom build out on a 144. This is a 2023 all-wheel drive. We're gonna walk you right through it today. Starting on the exterior, we've got Aluminess side steps or Nerf bars, whatever you wanna call them. Got lots of names, we call them side steps. We did the gold standard suspension like we always do here at OUTPOST VANS. We did the Agile RIP Kit. So you've got the Fox shock, you've got the spring with the Bilstein shock, and of course we did an all-terrain tire. Coming around to the back, looking right here on the slider, we got a CRL window, Flarespace of course, shore power. Looking at the back and all the gear we've got the Aluminess box with the carrier. These are really nice, put lots of gear in them. Super cool. That's there, full-size spare, you're ready to go. Coming over to the driver's side, we have city water connection, so you can connect your water at your campground or your campsite, wherever you're at. Side ladder from Aluminess. We did a full Aluminess exterior package on this one. If you look right up here, we have their brand new cruiser rack. So that's super cool, it's pretty modular. It's got different options. You can do a deck, you don't have to do a deck. You've got lots of mounting space. It's low profile and cost effective, so super nice. Again, we've got the step here and another T-Vent on the driver's side. Let's go around to the front again, and we're gonna check out the inside of, this one is called Rango, by the way. Super cool name, we really liked it. The clients picked it. Again, this is a custom build out. So every choice you see in here, from color, material, where things are, layout, all picked by the client. So that's what's really cool about the builds we do here at OUTPOST, is it's fully custom. You get to decide what you want. Oh, another cool thing I didn't point out is the rigid lights for some exterior lighting out here. This becomes your hangout space for the most part when you're at your campsite. So getting some lights on outside is really nice. We also have the Fiama awning up there. Jumping right in, you can see this layout is super open. One of the most open layouts you'll see. That's exactly what the customer wanted. So we've got a large big galley up here with a white solid surface countertop. We've got the table up here because they're just going to swivel around the front two seats, make that their kind of hangout, task area, lounge, dining, dinette, everything right up there. The reason for it to be so open is they've got a large dog that's going to kind of set up shop right here with the dog bed on all the trips. So stainless steel 130 liter fridge from Isotherm. I'm not going to open it up right now because we have the table set up just to show you guys that. Again, really big work space and prep space for a countertop. Stainless steel sink, so really nice. Going right up here, we have our monitoring console or control center. We call it both things here. This is where you're going to turn on all of your lights. You're going to check all your gauges for water, for battery, your battery monitor. You got your inverter remote, and of course, an Espar Diesel heater. This fan also does have air conditioning over the bed, which we'll get to. But yeah, fully 4-season with HVAC setup and fully insulated, of course, as well. Take a look at the cabinets. Just want to show you guys these. So really big, lots of storage space. This is all bamboo. Again, the client picked this. They picked the color scheme. It came out really nice and modern and cool. We really like the openness of it, but soft close. We've got push buttons, so they're flush. Lots of storage space in the uppers. Jumping right up on the bed. The bed height is about 36 inches in the garage. That's so they can fit their bikes and full-size e-bikes and such down there. We tested it out already, and their bikes will fit really nicely, which creates a really big bed space as well, and a large garage space. So this bed here is 76 by about 60, so it's almost a queen size bed in a 144, and it just feels so open in here, which is really cool. Looking right under here, so big under sink storage. We do have some nice drawers right here. Those are all bamboo as well. So really cool kitchen. They're going to use an induction cooktop that they're just going to store and deploy when they need it, so that'll be stored in the drawers. They didn't want it built in. Again, client's choice since it's a custom build out. Let's go around to the garage. Check out what we got going on here. We already showed you guys the box setup from Aluminess. Boom. Right there. Really cool feature here is the slide out tray. We use these a lot. We really like them. We custom make the decks and add the L-track. We use the slide kits from our friends at Lost Highway. They're great, really durable on 500-pound slides. So they'll be able to put their bikes, their gear in there and tie it down because you can run straps. You got all of these points on these rails here to tie down your gear to. More storage that I want to show you guys in the garage is right up here. You kind of have these nice cubby space under the bed, which is really cool. I showed you guys in another video. There's kind of a hidden area in the front, not so hidden now, but yeah, lots of good storage in here. It's so big and open. Jumping right in here, we've got hatches with a battery system. This is a 560 amp hour setup with a 3000 watt inverter, 200 watts of solar up on the roof, and they charge as they drive as well, of course. Right here we have our outdoor shower setup. So you got your hot cold mixer, you got your shower, just got to pull it out, and you got your outdoor shower with heated water, of course. 4-gallon hot water heater / holding tank, so you get a total of 26 fresh gallons on board Rango. Another cool thing we like is these storage nets. This is just good for, you know, small gear, stuff you're gonna take with you, extra shoes, whatever. These are from RB Components. We like using those. Yeah, as you can see, really open garage. We talked about the AC up there. You get another shot of the cabinetry back here, but hopefully you guys liked the video. That's Rango in a nutshell. We'll have more on our website soon, but thanks for checking out the video, and we'll be posting more on Instagram, and I think this is going on YouTube as well. So thanks guys. Again, outpostvans.com and @outpostvans on Instagram. Thanks.